Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic pickle Indian style. First, select about 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves and peel them carefully. It's crucial that all your equipment, including jars and spoons, are perfectly dry to prevent spoilage. Next, measure out 100 milliliters of mustard oil, which will heat later. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful pickling process. Now, let's create our aromatic spice blend. Lightly roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, then grind them into a coarse powder. Heat the 100 milliliters of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add the peeled garlic cloves to the warm oil and sauté them gently for about 5 minutes until they become slightly tender. It's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the sautéed garlic with your freshly ground mustard and fenugreek seeds. Stir in 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and salt to taste, usually about 1½ tablespoons. Pour in 1/4 cup of white vinegar and mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Transfer this flavorful mixture into a sterilized, dry glass jar. For the best flavor, store your garlic pickle in a cool, dark place for at least 3 days, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to gently shake the jar once a day to ensure all the garlic pieces are evenly coated and infused with the spices. This pickle pairs wonderfully with Indian meals or as a zesty side. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Indian garlic pickle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.